Hey there, welcome. So, you've got an idea, right? A project, a story, something you need to share. Well, in this explainer, we're going to walk through exactly how to turn that spark of an idea into your very first presentation, step by step. Let's dive right in.
Ah yes, the blank white slide. We've all been there. You open up the program and it's just staring back at you. It can feel a little intimidating for sure, but really, think of it as an empty canvas, just waiting for your ideas. And don't worry, in the next few minutes, we're going to show you exactly how to fill it up.
Okay, before we can get this thing off the ground, we need to know the controls. I like to think of the PowerPoint window as your own personal cockpit. It might look a little complex at first glance, but honestly, you only need to know a few key instruments to get started and fly like a pro.
And here they are, the big three. Up top, you've got the ribbon. That's your command center, your complete toolkit for, well, everything, from adding text to creating cool animations. Right in the middle is the slide pane. That's your main canvas where all the magic happens. And down at the bottom, the notes section. Seriously, this is your secret weapon. It's for your speaker notes, helping you stay on track without cluttering up your actual slides. You master these three areas, and you are totally in command.
All right, cockpit check is done. It is time for takeoff. This section is all about taking that one crucial step, going from 0 slides to 1. Let's actually create our presentation file.
So the process itself is super simple. You open PowerPoint, you select New, but hang on, here's a huge tip. Please do not start with a blank presentation. Choose a template. This is so important because templates give you this professionally designed foundation. The colors, the fonts, the layouts, it's all done for you. It lets you focus on your message, which is what really matters, instead of spending hours pretending to be a graphic designer.
Okay, our file exists. Now for the fun part, making it our own. This is where we start to shape the visual story and get into the basics of what makes a slide look good and, easy to understand.
Now let's clear up two words that get confused all the time. Themes and layouts. A theme is the big picture decision. It sets the whole vibe for your entire presentation with consistent colors and fonts. A layout, on the other hand, is just about how you arrange the content on one single slide. Here's an easy way to think about it. The theme is your whole wardrobe, and the layout is the specific outfit you choose to wear today. Yep, a layout is basically just a blueprint. It gives you these predefined placeholders for your titles, your text, maybe a picture. Using these is the secret to making every slide in your presentation look clean, professional, and consistent. It saves you from spending hours just trying to get all your boxes lined up perfectly. It's a lifesaver. So, you've created something amazing. You've put in the work. Now let's make sure it's safe and ready for the world to see. This final step is all about preserving all that effort and getting it into the right hands. As you can see, you've got a few key options here. Save is your best friend. You're going to want to use that one often. Save as is what you use when you need a totally separate copy, like a different version. Share is built for teamwork, letting you collaborate with other people in real time. And when you're all done and ready to send a final version that can't be easily edited, export to PDF is the professional standard. Knowing which one to use when is going to make your life a whole lot easier.
And there you have it. We've covered the interface, the design, and how to get it out the door. You now have the fundamental tools to build a great presentation right from scratch. But remember, the technology is just the starting point. The real question, the exciting one, is what you're going to do with it. So, what story will you tell?